Here are some popular flower names and their importance in the practical life. Rose. Symbol of love and beauty, often given on special occasions. Sunflower. Known for its bright yellow petals and follows the sun's movement. Daisy. Simple and cheerful flower often used in gardens and floral arrangements. Tulip. Vibrant and widely cultivated flower, especially in spring. Lily. Fragrant flower with various colors and commonly used in bouquets. Daffodil. Early spring flower with yellow petals and a trumpet-shaped center. Orchid. Exotic and diverse flower, symbolizing beauty and refinement. Marigold. Colorful flower, often used in gardens and festivals, symbolizing joy. Hibiscus. Large, trumpet-shaped flower with vibrant colors, used for medicinal purposes. Cherry blossom. Delicate and beautiful flower, widely celebrated in Japanese culture. Lavender. Fragrant herb with purple flowers, often used in aromatherapy and cooking. Carnation. Popular flower for Mother's Day, available in various colors. Poppy. Known for its colorful petals and often used as a symbol of remembrance. Violet. Small, sweet-scented flower, often found in gardens. Hydrangea. Large, globe-like flower clusters, available in different colors. Gerbera. Bright and cheerful flower, resembling a large daisy, symbolizing innocence. Pansy. Delicate flower with faces in various colors, perfect for gardens. Bougainvillea. Climbing plant with vibrant, paper-like flowers, commonly used for landscaping. Peony. Large, fragrant flower symbolizing prosperity and good fortune. Freesia. Fragrant flower often used in perfumes and floral arrangements. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch with the channel to learn more. So, subscribe the channel.